Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is jam-packed with a week full of stuff. I have so much going on in this video, you guys. We are at the new house right now and we are cleaning the garage and cleaning the house, and of course I'm trying to test my luck of doing a cartwheel. Oh my god. And the Kayla outshined me, of course. But we're cleaning and we're getting this house together because this is move-in week and we're getting ready to move into the new house. So we're definitely cleaning and getting things done and like the last minute renovations of everything. So enjoy the video and I will pop back in and talk to you guys later.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Also, if you guys want to see the full cleaning video, the video will be up on my cleaning channel. It's already live on there. If you guys want to go ahead and see the full cleaning video of the new house, it was really cool. And so now we are here, Kayla and I, at Dick's Sporting Goods. One, we've never been there, and two, she wanted to see if she could find a backpack, which she actually found it on Amazon. But we were just in here just to see if she could find a backpack, and we were just blown away because we've never been into this store before. And y'all, we're really just having a great time going to stores that we've always wanted to go into but just never been in because we didn't have the stores where we lived in New York. We lived in the bush upstate, so we didn't really have stores like that. But it was just so cool to kind of just walk through the store and, you know, see what it's all about. I mean, the colors and the presentation was just absolutely incredible. But the prices, y'all, was crazy. Like, I was just taken aback. Like a sweater for almost $80. And I just was like, wait, what? But nevertheless, the quality was great, and you know, they had beautiful colors and beautiful pieces as well. So Kayla Beezy, she saw a lot of things obviously that she did like, but we were just like, yeah, we're not doing that. The price was crazy, so we left and went to TJ Maxx. We are here in Dick's Sporting Goods, you guys, and she's looking for a backpack. Kayla Beezy's looking for a book bag for school. So we're here. There's some more down here, honey. Is it the one that you wanted? Oh, it's the exact one that you wanted. They don't have the one? Maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been lost, but I'm giving you all of my time. Isn't that good enough? Changing my patterns a lot. Yeah, I never thought I'd be sitting here wrapped in your arms. Okay guys, so we were having a really good conversation, but the music was so loud in the store that I had to do a voiceover because I didn't want to have a copyright strike. So we were talking about these backpacks because she saw something on Amazon that she really likes, and she actually found the backpack, but it was not in the color that she wanted, which is the backpack that she's about to show you right now. So it's the same backpack that she saw on Amazon. The only thing is the dark gray part is I think it's tan, and then the lighter gray is white. So she wanted to get that one instead, so we ordered that one for her on Amazon. But she then went to go look at some sneakers that she really wanted, and I don't think she realized that the price was so high. So she was just like, yeah, we're not doing that. But they didn't even have them in her size really, and I think she found a couple sneakers, but they, you know, she just didn't really like them. So like I said before, we left here and we went straight to TJ Maxx. I didn't film it because, you know, I kind of wanted to be a little bit more present with her because she was wanting a few little things, and I just wanted to just give her a little bit more attention. And so but it was a great experience in Dick's Sporting Goods. It was a great experience, and it was fun. It was so much fun.
So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting
The Gazelle, is that the name of it?
nowhere, nowhere, no.
I haven't listened.
But I'm still here. Hope that we will get there, and get there, and get there together, like no one else. You have a routine with your hair. You hide your face, but you're so pretty. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a
I like the
little faith
Gazelle.
in me, though you're scared. No, I made it
I like the
hard for
Gazelle.
you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though
I like the
you're
Gazelle better.
scared.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere.
The colors are beautiful. I love this one. That one is so cute. They fit? Not really. I mean, stand up and walk.
So let go of the things you hear.
It looks big
I'm
in the
not
back.
going anywhere without
Yeah.
you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared.
It's falling off your foot.
No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're
No.
scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere,
They are cute.
nowhere, no.
Aww.
But I'm still here. Hope that we will get there, get
Those are
there,
cute.
get there together. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere,
Those are cute.
nowhere, no. But I'm still here. Hope that we will get there, get there, get
No.
there together.
So we actually left the sneakers. We did not buy any of them, but she actually did find the Gazelles on Amazon for $69.99. They were selling in Dick's for $119, and she found it on Amazon for $69.99. So we're gonna definitely go ahead and order that for her. And then Mikey, he's graduated from high school, you guys know, so he's not back to school shopping. He's just kind of looking for stuff for the summer because he doesn't have any summer tops or, you know, shorts. So we were in TJ Maxx with him, and this was the Sunday the day before was when Kayla and I went to Dick's, and now this is Sunday after church. So he wanted to find some, little stuff for summer and things like that. So we just decided that after church we were going to go to TJ Maxx, and we went to Marshall's, we went to Target, we went to a few stores. That's Nyla. We went to a few stores for him, and he got a few things, so that was great. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of choppy and a mishmash of stuff, but I just wanted to definitely make sure I had some content for you guys and show you guys, what we're doing day in life while we're here in Georgia until I can start really decorating and everything. But you guys let me know if you're liking these videos, the day in the life videos, because if you are, I would definitely still continue to do them and just incorporate decorating and shop with me videos and things like that. I will incorporate it in the day in the life videos, because I'm actually loving the day in the life videos, because I feel like y'all get a lot more content and, versus just the regular decorating. Those are great, and I love doing that. But just like stuff like this, like we're just worshiping and just having a good time. Kayla did not want to be on camera because her hair was not done. So we were just worshiping and just having a good time here in the living room. And so let me know if you guys like these styles of videos, because I would definitely keep them coming. But thank you guys so much for watching today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems